Okay, today we're doing a 2016 Honda CRV. We're gonna reset the module on this one. So let's connect the scanner on the OBD port. It's right here. So you can see the airbag light is on. So I'm gonna turn off the vehicle. Open the ignition. On this CRV, to open the ignition, you have to push the start button twice. And that's how you open the ignition. I got my scanner here. I'm gonna go to airbag reset, press enter. I'm gonna do auto detect. Yes. Now the system is gonna go through the database and find out the module part number. There is a part number for this particular module. Yes. Now we have the module information there. Press OK. Now it's communicating directly with the module. Now we're gonna read the codes. It says that there is no fault code, but we have an airbag light on. So that means that the crash event is still there. We're gonna go here where it says erase crash. Erase crash success. I'm gonna press OK. We're gonna turn off the ignition. We're gonna turn on the car. And as you can see, the airbag light is off. And that's how easy it is to reset the airbag module for a 2016 Honda CRV. If you have any questions or you need any more information, don't forget to visit us at dfwsafetyrestore.com.